Mago mag tuke nyakwar mgajuang tim mar Talanta Hela jotugo ma hikgi ni piny mar 19 kidieny mar yowuoyi olo tim mar Jupiter Catalunya gonde 3-0 e tuke ma Coast Daurada International Tournament mantiere piny mar Spain. Timno mitao gi kocha Stanley Okumbi noloyo gol margi mokwongo kokalo kuom jatugo Alex Kipucho e dakika mar 9 kapok jatugo Elisha Nalianya amedo ne Talanta Hela gol mar 2 dakika 5 kapok jotugo dhi e yueyo. Derrick Okech nomedo ne Talanta Hela gol mogik e dakika mar 44 manomiyo gi loch e tukegi mokwongo.
It's always going to be hard. You know, I'm just joining a group of lads but that I haven't known, but the boys, they're very welcoming. There's a good team spirit, so they made it very easy for me to come in and coordinate and play with them.
Of course, I told them that first I need individual performance of the players, and for us to do that, we must make sure that there's a lot of risk-taking, and I will say that they did it. If you could see both right and left wing and number 10 and number 9, of course, there was a lot of combination, a lot of dribbling, a lot of shooting, and that's exactly what I told them yesterday during the training session. And collectively also we need to do to do a good job, because by the end of the day, when there is individual performance, then it comes to collectively, and I will say that they did it best.